easy enough to remember. I came home the other day and I had 2 little pumpkins on my table that my son got at Trader Joe's. So it's already that time of year.
It is. You know what? It just changes the mood in the house. Whenever you start getting to fall, next thing you know, you're talking about Thanksgiving. The house smells like cinnamon and nutmeg. And for me, it puts me in a great mood. You know what also puts me in a great mood? Temperatures in the 80s. That'll do it too. Are you enjoying the 80s? I sure am. This cooling trend will continue at least for the bulk of the week. Possible Sierra thunderstorms, unfortunately, remaining in the forecast, and we will have some periods of breezy and gusty winds throughout the course of the week as well. So let's take a look at today's forecast. Yesterday we soared up to 82. And I use that word sparingly. Average daytime high 89. Today 84, mostly sunny. Winds out of the southwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your sunrise came at 6:50 this morning, and your sunset comes around 7:09 tonight. Now we are nearing our autumnal equinox, where you have nearly the equal amount of daylight and darkness. So no big surprise, sunrise and sunset coming around the same time frame for the morning and for the evening. Now we'll take a look and see what's happening for tomorrow. 85, mostly sunny. Winds out of the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So for the foothills, here's your forecast. Afternoon highs expected near 80 degrees in some of your warmest spots. You get past your sunset, things start to cool down. 70 coming in around 8 o'clock tonight. 10 o'clock at night, 66. And then, of course, in the overnight, your coolest temperatures expected to be in the lower 60s to near the upper 50s. Now for South Lake Tahoe, you got a completely different forecast. So you still got tons of moisture that's being funneled in, compliments of a low pressure system, and it is triggering some late day showers and thunderstorms. So that likelihood in the forecast around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and your temperatures are cooling down in the overnight. About around midnight, you'll see your temperatures in the upper 40s. Now take a look at the thunderstorm outlook. It does favor the upper foothills, the Sierra, northern Sierra, as well as into the northern end of the valley floor. Rain chances remain in the forecast Tuesday and Wednesday. Now today's a 40% likelihood. That likelihood starts to diminish as we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, and then it soars up on Thursday. Why is that? I'll explain. Right here off the coastline, there's our cutoff low pressure system. You can make out some of the winds around it. That's what's fueling in all the moisture. That's what's giving us the onshore breeze. That's what's keeping our temperatures a little cool. Well, that low is going to start to move out. And then we have another low comes in, but this one doesn't really connect until we get to Wednesday into Thursday. And the closer it gets to us, the more instability we have, especially for the higher terrain, and that increases the likelihood for thunderstorms. Now, when this system comes in, it's also going to cool us down even more. Today's afternoon highs around 5 degrees below average. By the time you get to Thursday, we could be looking at afternoon highs in the upper 70s. Now, as we get to the upcoming weekend, I have kept temperatures in the low to mid 80s for afternoon highs, but depending on how this ridge comes in, I may increase those temperatures. But as of right now, I'm going to go lower 80s Saturday and Sunday. But if the high comes in and it's a little bit more excitable, that could warm up our temperatures a little bit more. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. So mid 80s coming in Monday and Tuesday, lower 80s on Wednesday. A few more clouds coming in Thursday, compliments of that low dropping across the region. More clouds for the valley floor will also introduce something else for parts of the foothills and the Sierra. With that moisture, more instability, chance of thunderstorms in the forecast for the foothills and the Sierra around the middle to the end of the work week. Do note what happens to temperatures. They plummet from 70 to 58 for the Sierra, and a little bit less of a cool down with 78 to 71 coming in Wednesday and Thursday for the foothills. That's a look at your weather on a pretty nice Monday. Back to you.
All right. Thanks so much.